Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on OPPO Find X3 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. Now you can click open and you can skip introduction. And now you have to open permissions and you have to allow this application to display over other apps. And then click back and click back again. Now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your AI widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle here. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.